I don't think my freaking mic was on. Wow, that sucks. I still don't know if it's on, but it's whatever. If it's not on and if it whatever, I'm just gonna do a voiceover, okay? So as you can see, my hair is thin and it is dry and it is shedding, and unfortunately I'm gonna be bald one day, but that's okay. We don't care. Slay, we're gonna be bald. So I don't really have a plan. I am supposed to go to a hairstylist. Guys, if you see bruises on my arms, it's my dog. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know it's my dog. Anyways, so I don't really have a plan for my hair. I was planning to go to a hairstylist, which I'm still going to. So I ordered that stuff overnight and it shipped overnight, and you know what I mean? I was like, yeah, went to sleep and it was delivered the next day. I have a scale which I actually use for nutrition, not stuff like this, but it's alright. We have foil, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to use foil because using foil on yourself is pretty dang hard. I also got gloves. I got this mixing bowl off of Amazon too. Everything's from Amazon actually. I got this mixing bowl, which is basically like a travel dog bowl, but I guess they sell it as a mixing bowl now, but that's okay. That's fine. That works. Then I also got tools. If you guys want anything that I'm using, I'm gonna put a link down below to everything. Please don't use this video as a tutorial because it is not a tutorial. I repeat, this video is not a tutorial. Do not do what I'm doing, okay? And if you do and you mess it up, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. We have 20 developer because I'm not gonna use 30. I don't want to ruin my hair. And we also have bleaching powder. I've actually bleached and dyed my hair before, different colors and different styles, and now we have to figure out what we actually want to do with our hair. So this is when I'm going to come up with what I actually want to do. How about, okay, it was a spontaneous idea, so it has to be a spontaneous idea. Thinking artsy, and as you can see, my hair is not symmetrical over here, so I'm thinking asymmetrical. So I like this side more. I don't really like this side. Part it like this. So let's see, how do we want this? Oh yeah, I need a facelift. I like behind the ear. Is that gonna be enough of blonde? Let's see how it looks from behind, but I don't really feel like it, so we're just gonna go with it. If I hate it, guys, whatever, I don't care. Something like this. How does it look from the back? So this would be all the blonde on this side. There's not much of it. I can always add more later. I think this is like an inch, 2 inches. Bowser, what are you eating? We're gonna open up this powder. Oh, this looks like the things that you put in our DIY scissors. They have like, this is all you give me? For best results, follow professional permanent creator. Best results, follow professional permanent creator. Hair mixing instructions. Okay. I don't see no mixing instructions, guys. Oh, okay. 2 scoops of lightener and 3 scoops. Then why do I even have a scale? How did you get that again? Bro! Guys, I have ADHD and I'm not really good with written instructions because I don't even care. I just want to get to it. 2 scoops of lightener and 3 scoops of cream developer. Okay, so 2 scoops of this, 3 scoops of that. 2 scoops of lightener. Whole scoops? Ain't no way. 2 scoops and it's already gone. Well, not really, but it's like almost gone. Okay. And then we're gonna do 2 scoops of lightener, 3 scoops, right? 3 scoops of cream, yeah. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna mix it better than that. So I just put them like this, and now I'm gonna cut it like this. For the back, I don't have a mirror. Do it like this. Yeah. And then I have a toddler over there too, just getting into everything. Well, not like an actual toddler. He's just my dog. Guys. I can't see far and my mirror is far, so this is just making it so much harder, guys. I'm just gonna have to trust the process, I guess. We're just gonna do this once because, oh, I don't like how that looks. Okay, it's 10:40. Hey, Amy, it's like all you do. Bowser, please, what are you eating now? Guys, I think I'm gonna do this off camera, and then because my camera is dying, I need to change the batteries, but I can't right now. Okay, so everything is in foils, everything is fine, and I did this in 14 minutes. I kind of want to see what the first strand looks like, but I can't get to it. Oh, and by the way, I have like few strands that like don't even belong anywhere. I'm just gonna pull the hair out, actually. It's just, ouch. I realized that I got some strands from my damn other side that I didn't mean to get. And I got some bleach on here too. It's just like so cool. Guys, I think I'm gonna take out the foils and just gonna give it a few more minutes because I can't see like how they look. I mean, I can always take them. God damn it. Like, how am I supposed to do this? I literally can't even move properly. Should we just take them out? I started the first one I did at 10:40. So it's been 16 minutes now. Wow. Nice posture. I'm just gonna do it. Hey, no hair stuck on here. Well, unfortunately, I still can't see it because I literally can't clearly see myself in the mirror because I'm blind. I'm gonna start doing my roots right now. Yes, I'm doing this with my bare hands. I'm gonna start doing my roots right now. I think I might just take them all out just to make it easier for myself. Put them in the foils, but goddamn, I can't see. Okay, we had to say goodbye to the camera. Guys, I goddamn forgot that I have eyebrows. I took out the foils because I literally couldn't see. And I'm still doing it with my hands. The quality is way worse. I look bad. Well, what's new? Because my camera is dying and I really don't have the time to just like worry about the camera and then worry about this, worry about that, my eyebrows. Whatever, we can always fill them in. Honestly, are you okay? No. Bleach all over my face. What's going on the back? You know, I don't. And every time I look to the side, I get like cross-eyed. Because like I'm literally like, I can't see. I mean, I wanted something spontaneous. And I wanted something artsy and asymmetrical. So I think I got it. Wait, what is this strand doing here? Just get in there, like, for real. There's literally like a dark strand of hair that's not supposed to be there. It just got adopted. Wow. This is how it looks. This is number 2. I think I'm just gonna wash it off. I don't want to destroy my hair too much. And if it's really, really bad, even after purple shampoo, I'm just going to dye a different color, like red or pink, even though I don't want to. But if I have to, then I have to. I think I'm going bold. And look at my eyebrow over here. How do I even make this work? Hopefully it looks good. Well, I wanted something different and spontaneous, so here it is. It doesn't make sense at all. Guys, I hate it. I think I took way too much from over here. I think we're gonna have to do like, really don't want crazy colors. I think I'm just gonna do it like ashy brown. But would that make my hair green? Oh, wow, look at you. It's not funny. Low-key, what is this? What is that? What is it? What is that? The fact that I just can't style it is the worst part. I mean, I didn't even try to style it, but it's the fact that it's so chunky over here. It just doesn't make sense. I wanted artsy and I got fartsy, so jeez. All right, this is day 2 and I'm fed up. I'm done. I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday because I don't want to ruin more shirts. Try to part my hair to bleach it again today, but like, how do you part this without like bringing black onto the blonde or bringing blonde onto the black? So I literally cried. Yep, I did. So we have this. I don't want red. I really don't want red. Oh, okay. You know what? Yep, done. Yep. We're going red. Too late now. Probably gonna cry after this too because I really don't want red, but it's okay. It's not. But, you know, we have to be okay. So we're just gonna coat this. It's much easier to do it red than to part my freaking hair. This is gonna be really bright, isn't it? Yeah. Just gonna do this with my gloves because, okay. I was trying to go and dye my hair again. bleach it and then use a toner. But because I saw that I can't part this mother trucker, I'm not doing it. Yeah, so we're not parting my hair. We're just doing it. We don't really care anymore. We stopped caring a long time ago. Well, like 30 minutes ago. This right now is giving ich troje. If you're Polish, you know. Giving flashback to yesterday, not knowing what the back looks. Alright, there's still some like yellow strands over here, the individual. I'm just gonna pluck them out. I'm gonna try to wash this off. I mean, I have soap over here and water, but what's the point of using gloves? Like, be for real. I mean, guys, we wanted spontaneous, right? Okay, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that, guys. So right now, I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna chill for like an hour, let it do its thing. Then I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Hopefully, I don't look crazy. But if I do, I mean, what can you do, right? I don't know how long it's been because I didn't look at the time. I was sitting there and I was thinking, how about I bleach and dye my, like the whatever of my eyebrow. I'm gonna wait for that. Oh my god, then I have to wait for the... Okay, no. Okay, guys, I don't feel like waiting that long. My eyebrow is already orange. Oh, what am I doing with my life?